In this short video, I'll show where to find the VIN number and the OBD port on a BMW E60. The VIN number can be found in two places. The first one is on the driver's side door pillar. Just open the door and look at the sticker on the frame. The second VIN location is under the hood. On the right-hand side strut tower. Now let's check the OBD port. Open the driver's door, and below the steering wheel on the left side, you'll see a small cover. Remove that cover, and the OBD diagnostic connector is right there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick car guides from Workshop Addict.